Today is February 2nd, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in this environment, guesswork isn't a strategy. We lead today with a critical mandate from the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. CISA has added CVE 2026-1281 to the Known Exploited Vulnerabilities catalog. This critical code injection flaw in Ivanti Endpoint Manager Mobile is being actively exploited in the wild, allowing unauthenticated remote code execution. Federal agencies face an immediate remediation deadline. For private sector CSOs, this represents a high-priority threat to mobile device management infrastructure. If you are running affected Ivanti versions, patching is no longer optional. It is a critical requirement for business continuity. In AI infrastructure, Microsoft's latest earnings call has redefined the scale of enterprise adoption. CEO Satya Nadella confirmed that over 250 enterprise customers are now on track to process more than 1 trillion tokens on the Azure Foundry platform this year. Furthermore, Nadella highlighted tokens per watt per dollar as the key internal metric, as Microsoft moves from experimental pilots into massive-scale production. For the C-suite, the message is clear. AI infrastructure is no longer about potential. It is about the efficiency of high-volume token factories. In federal news, FedRAMP Director Pete Waterman has unveiled the FedRAMP Cybersecurity Service. Waterman framed 2026 as the delivery phase of the program's modernization. This new initiative will recruit specialized security engineers to automate the authorization process and provide a minimum level of continuous monitoring for cloud services. This marks a shift from manual compliance checklists toward an engineering-led security model aiming to drastically reduce the time cloud vendors spend in the federal waiting room. The National Security Agency has released the next phase of its Zero Trust implementation guidelines, specifically targeting the discovery phase and Phase 2 integration. These guidelines provide a modular roadmap for practitioners to achieve target-level maturity across 7 pillars, including identity, devices, and workloads. For enterprise architects, these documents move Zero Trust from a conceptual framework to an operational reality, providing the technical specs needed for modern audit and compliance reviews. Finally, California's Frontier AI Act, Senate Bill 53, has officially entered active enforcement. As of February 1st, developers of models trained with over 10 to the 26th power flops are required to have their safety frameworks, risk management plans, and whistleblower protections publicly posted. With civil penalties of up to $1 million per violation, this marks the first month that the world's largest model developers are under mandatory state-level oversight in the U.S. That's the exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you tomorrow for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. All information is from publicly available sources. The Exchange Daily is a production of Matora Solutions, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC, 2026.